Today I'm showing you how to clear all cache files from Windows 10 and 11 to boost your computer's performance. Step 1. Clear Prefetch. Press Windows key plus R together. Type in Prefetch and click OK. Click Continue when prompted. Now press Ctrl A to select all files, then press Shift Delete to permanently remove them. Click Yes to confirm. Step 2. Clear Temp folder. Press Windows plus R again. This time type temp, T-E-M-P. Click OK. Select any file, press Ctrl A, then Shift Delete. Confirm by clicking Yes. If some files can't be deleted, just click Skip. That's completely normal. Step 3. Clear User Temp. Windows plus R one more time. Type %temp% and hit OK. This opens another temp location. Press Ctrl A to select all, then Shift Delete. Again, skip any files that won't delete. Final step. Press Windows plus R and type cleanmg. Click OK. Make sure C drive is selected, then click OK again. Now check all the boxes: recycle bin, temporary files, thumbnails, and temporary internet files. Click OK to finish. And that's it. Your Windows PC is now cleared of all cache files and should run noticeably faster.